What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is 410 Auto Tech. Today's video is the unboxing of TOOLHEADZ Crate Cheap Box Better Stuff Volume Number 2. Brought to you by some fellow YouTubers and mechanics. JRC54 is one of them, and Rust Belt Mechanic is another one. I'm going to drop a link here above my head, a link to their channel as well, so you can check those guys out as well. This is, like I said, Volume Number 2. I'm excited to see what's in the box. So I'm going to bring the camera closer, and let's take a look. Let's see what's in it for this month. Ooh! Already packed to the top. Right, first you see is a TOOLHEADZ crate members. Here it is, another crate for you rocking TOOLHEADZ to enjoy. We at TOOLHEADZ Crate would like to thank you again for your continued support and service as we move forward and grow. So will our boxes. So that's awesome. I can already tell they've already upped the ante. So their first box was awesome to me. You know, just starting out their company, first box. I'm an OG. Now that's to their second box. So let's continue. And then I still don't know if I have that golden wrench. So right now, first I see is you have a shop rag. You can blow your boogers, whatever you need to wash your hands, your butt. I don't care. So it's always nice to have them. You have a pencil torch. Let's see, butane. So you have all your instructions right here. You can read it and you can see it. It's gas. Let's take a look. So all you have to do is turn the valve, and I believe it lights up. But maybe you probably have to use a little lighter. But right now it doesn't. I'm pretty sure it doesn't have any butane in it. So like you see right here, light up, put a fire to it, and it should light up. So this is awesome. I've never seen it, so I'm excited to use it. Definitely, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see me use it next couple days. Next thing you see right here is a Cowhawk USA 9-inch Pro Wire Stripper. Part number is BWS09. Let's unbox it. So right here you got a little latch. Got a nice little soft grip handle. Feels really good. See, you have all different type of gauges. Conduit remover from 16 at the top through 8 or through 6, and then 18 down to 8 right here. Wire cutter right here, right there. And then your insulator crimps right here for all your different gauges. Coax. This actually feels really nice. So I'm definitely going to try this out because I do a lot of wire repairs at work. So I'm actually pretty excited to see this. Let's see. Lock it back. Put that to the side. Some Cowhawk 24-piece heat shrink wire wrap set. It's actually pretty good sizes. You got all different kinds of sizes. 6-inch. You have diameter from 1/16, 1/8, and 1/4 with 4 different colors: blue, white, red, and clear. So this is really good to have when you're doing all the wire repairs. Have a Cowhawk 30-watt soldering iron and desoldering pump. So you got a 2-in-1 tool. It's actually pretty cool too, man. I've never had one like this. Is plug into the wall. Have it heating technology, safe and durable heat, impact resistant. So if you drop it, it should be able to withstand it. Extra long power cord, ideal for electronic, jewelry repair, hobby and crafts. So I'll definitely have to try this out and see how it works compared to my Snap-on. Take another look. Got the Cowhawk soldering iron and desoldering pump. So all you would do, I guess, is use this pump to retract some of the solder. Not too sure what this pin is, but pretty sure I'll be able to figure it out. We'll put it to the side and see what else we got. So Play-Doh shears, pretty much cutters, cut wire, copper wire, nice small. It's got a nice little spring action right here. You can see a little clip that pushes it back. Pretty sharp. I can almost just cut myself. Play-Doh model 170 shears. Use safety glasses all the time. Max 1mm diameter. copper wire. So this is really good. It comes in handy with all this electrical stuff that we got so far in this box. You got another shop rag to wipe your boogers and your tears. So SP Tools USA, I think I've definitely heard of them. So you got another promo code. Use SP free, get $100 in free tools for every $500 you spend. So definitely check them out. Can't get away. Definitely gonna check them out on Instagram and Facebook. So this, ironically, I literally just lost. I put it on Instagram that I lost my 10mm socket, and it was a snap-on. I lost it, bought one, and then a week and a half later, just now found it today. So definitely gonna put this, wrap that in there, so I definitely don't lose it. I'll put it in a box to keep it nice and safe. So that's a pretty cool sticker to have. It might go in the toolbox. You have a Cowhawk part number CZSGI 20 gauge soldering wiring tube. So for all that electrical stuff that we got this month. So there you go. That's enough solder to last me a good while. So which is comes in handy. So last but not least, got the TOOLHEADZ shirt. Look at this. That is pretty nifty. Missing 10mm. If found, please return to owner of this shirt. This is pretty awesome, I'm not gonna lie. So if you find my 10mm out there in a car somewhere, because I've lost a few, please return it. I'll be wearing this shirt if you're trying to find me. It's nice, good quality t-shirt. Some good quality tools, as you can see. I guess this month must have been electrical, which is awesome because I love doing wiring repairs on vehicles. That's pretty much what I do at work. The majority of my repairs are electrical, and I do some heavy line work as well. So good box this month. For box number 2, it's definitely a step up. Get a good grade in my book. So that, yeah, liking what I see so far again. So last month people were hating. You know, there's first time. You know, you gotta give them some credit. They're just getting their feet wet. They definitely stepped up their game this month, I believe. I love doing wire repairs, so all this stuff comes in handy. You can never have enough heat shrink tubing. Yeah, I know you can go to a store and buy them cheap and stuff like that, but having a box that you don't know what you're gonna get is, you know, it's like a small birthday gift, small, you know, little mini Christmas gift to yourself every month. So like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, I'll probably drop little videos, or I'll probably drop some videos on YouTube here as well of me using tools in action from TOOLHEADZ Crate. There you guys have it. Box number 2 from TOOLHEADZ Crate. Cheap box, better stuff. They've definitely stepped up their game this month. I know months ahead they're definitely going to keep ramping up all the nifty tools that are in the box. You know, they're just starting out, so give them some slack. They're definitely, like I said, I like this box, really good. I love working with wire repairs and electrical issues, so definitely it's a box for me. I am, as you know, if you haven't already, I'm a mechanic, technician, automotive technician, whatever you want to call it. I do this stuff for a living, so it's nice to have a box that you don't know what's going to come in, and definitely have some cool little tools to add to your collection. I might keep some of this stuff at home because, you know, I'm also trying to build a little small tool collection at home other than my big vast tool collection at work that I have. I'm a tool addict, I admit it. So having this box is pretty cool. If you guys like all the tools that were inside this video, I'll make sure to post a link down below so you can click on it and it'll send you down to their website and take a look to see if that's something you're interested in having the crate service from month to month. I know I am. I'm enjoying it. As I'm shooting this video, I see that I hit that 500 subscriber mark, so I want to give you guys a big shout out for supporting me and my channel. I love bringing you guys some content, so that's a big shout out to you guys. I'm very excited to move forward with this channel as well. So this is going to be 410 Auto Tech out.